Small size, suitable for home and small business use. High-precision components ensure stable printing and high output quality. Epson i3200U1 HD*1 or Epson i1600U1*3, 2 sprinkler heads can be selected according to demand, printing worry-free. High configuration but low price, low investment cost, the best choice for families and small entrepreneurs. UV-30R STAR V UV DTF printer meets your personalized DIY printing needs. Creating a variety of high-quality works of art and products of practical value.